The world is still asleep, shrouded in a soft, blue mist. But here, in the quiet heart of nature, the day begins long before the sun. This is the hour of whispers, the time when the earth offers its most precious gifts. I've come to listen, to gather the fleeting flavors that only dawn can reveal. Our first journey takes us high into the mountains, where ancient trees guard secrets of the land. Here, under the damp canopy, grows the ghost orchid fungus. It blooms for just a few hours after a moonlit rain, its petals glowing with an ethereal light. Finding one is a matter of patience and respect. I gently pluck it from its mossy bed, its fragrance a mix of damp earth and sweet nectar. This is the mountain's soul, a Trezor whispered on the wind. Next, we descend to the coast, where the sea breathes its own magic onto the shore. The tide has receded, unveiling a hidden world in the rock pools. I'm searching for the mermaid's tear, a rare, iridescent seaweed that clings to submerged stones. It shimmers with all the colors of the ocean, tasting of salt and morning mist. Each strand is a piece of the sea's deep, quiet song. With these gifts from both mountain and sea, our journey to the kitchen begins. Back in the warmth of my kitchen, the alchemy starts. The ghost orchid fungus is gently steamed, releasing its delicate, floral aroma. It unfurls like a flower in the heat, its texture becoming as soft as a cloud. The mermaid's tear is blanched for just a moment, preserving its vibrant color and crispness. The two are brought together in a simple, clear broth, seasoned with a single drop of aged pine sap vinegar. Nothing more is needed. The ingredients must speak for themselves, and Irit is a bowl that holds the essence of a single morning. The mountains whisper and the oceans sigh. United, each spoonful is a story, a taste of a world that wakes while we dream. It's a reminder that the most profound flavors are not made, but found. They are a gift from the earth, offered in the quiet moments between night and day. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Remember to find the magic in your own dawn.